game, man.
Lots of folks are smarter than me. What you want to pay? I can't.
What was that? Oh,
Got
come
broken up
on.
at prison.
What now?
She was all like, "Snuff." I said, "Yeah, your sister said the same thing." Suddenly she's all screaming and hollering at me, man. So look.
Yes!
Look, I'm being honest.
This is
Go
a
out with me,
restricted
please.
area. Please leave. Back off. This area is off limits.
Whoo, God, like Mona
I'll break
Lisa.
your teeth. I'm going to have to ask you to move along.
What's up? I know you see me. Fuck you.
Let's fight. Hold on. No civilians allowed.
Hell, so hard. I don't know about one.
Wait, what?
Wait, what was that? Ah! Ah! Ah!
Hey, get your swag up.
No, this is not okay. Listen. You Somebody needs to pass me the Bible.
What the? Ah!
There. Keep doing that. Hey! Piece of junk. Whoa. Ah.
Goddamn randos. What was that? Ah! We don't want any trouble.
It's just another reflection of how values this country are going to shit.
Local units code 2. Suspect is implicated in the murder of an SFPD officer. Proceed with extreme caution.
can see him!
You can't be serious.
You're under arrest. Don't try anything or I will shoot.
I didn't do anything.
You have the right to remain silent.
Are you serious? This is unbelievable.
This is your fault. You started this, now you're being a coward. That's what you are, a coward. Go on then, coward. Coward!
What was that about?